TS Galaxy 2, Marumo Gallants 0. Referee blows the whistle and the game starts. The first 20 minutes, really nothing much is happening. The position is actually 50-50, with both teams having a fair amount of possession in the first 20 minutes. One thing I noticed is when TS Galaxy attacks, the whole squad is in the opposition half, so you can already tell that they're planning to win the game. In the 22nd minute, the left back and the center back of TX Galaxy are both fighting for the same ball, where they end up bumping each other and the ball falls to a Marumo Gallants player, who finds himself forward and the position is now 3v3. Kunene takes a shot, but it goes wide. Maybe he could have passed his teammate, but it's still early in the game. A few minutes later, nice play by Marumo Gallants from the own half to find themselves facing the opposition box in a 2v2, but the shot is saved by the TS Galaxy goalkeeper. Maybe a bit selfish because he could have gave his teammate a through ball and he probably would have had a better chance at scoring. This is Marumo's second wasted opportunity, which they couldn't capitalize on TS Galaxy defensive error. In the 39th minute, there's a nice play by TS Galaxy centre-back Tumvalese. He traps the ball well, but it's a poor finish and the ball goes wide. Few minutes before half-time, there's a counter-attack just after Marumo Gallants' corner. TS Galaxy forward players find themselves in a 2v2 situations. Marumo Gallants defenders are facing their own box, which is never a good thing. But the finish is poor by the TS Galaxy forward and it goes wide. Referee blows the whistle for halftime. Second half resumes. This is where everything changes. TS Galaxy makes 3 substitutions. 4 minutes later, a TS Galaxy player hits the post with a diving header from a cross on the left-hand side. In the 50th minute, and penalty is awarded to TS Galaxy striker Keita with a nice dribble to pass to Marumo Gallants player, then hits a through ball to break the defensive line of Marumo Gallants to the striker of TS Galaxy. And the TS Galaxy striker finds himself in a 1v1 against the goalkeeper of Marumo Gallants. Upon further review, it was the striker who stepped on the goalkeeper, but no VAR, so the penalty is given. Keita, the person who gave the through ball, steps up and scores the penalty. 1 to TS Galaxy, 0 to Marumo Gallants. The next 15 minutes is endless attacks by Marumo Gallants. They turn up the notch since conceding a goal, but nothing is on target. In the 66th minute, there's a throw-in Marumo Gallants' half. The striker of TS Galaxy loses his marker and finds himself inside the box. Passes the ball to number 17 inside the box, and number 17 scores the goal. TS Galaxy 2, Marumo Gallants 0. The substitution made at halftime are impacting the game. Credit all goes to the coach and his coaching staff for being able to read the game after the first 45 minutes ended goalless. Marumo Gallants are losing the ball, the confidence has dropped since conceding the second goal, and TS Galaxy are not stopping with their attacking. Few minutes later, another chance for TS Galaxy striker, outrunning the right back, but keeper makes a save as was trying to cross it inside the box. Referee blows the whistle and the match is over.